In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho projects for beginners. We will start by setting up your first project, and then we will create a task inside it. I will keep it simple and clear so you can follow along as you work in your own account. First, look to the left sidebar and click the Projects tab. This area is where all of your projects live, so it is a good habit to return here anytime you need to switch workspaces. In the upper right corner, select New Project. This opens the Project Setup form, where you define the basic structure of what you are managing. Now, enter your project title. Choose a name that clearly describes the work, since this is what you will see in lists and navigation later. Next, set your start date and end date. Even if your dates are estimates, adding them helps you frame the project timeline and keeps planning consistent. Then choose a project layout. Layouts control how information is organized, so select the one that best matches how you want to track your work. If you are new, keep it simple and pick a layout that fits your usual workflow. Before you finish, set your privacy. Choose private if you only want invited members to see and work on the project. Choose public if you want all portal users to have access. This is important for keeping the right people informed, while also protecting sensitive internal work. Once those details are set, your project is ready to use. Next, let us create a task. Go back to the left sidebar, click Projects again, and select the project you just created. This takes you inside the Project Workspace. Along the top navigation bar, click the Tasks tab. This is where you will manage the actual work items that move your project forward. In the top right, click Add Task. Type a clear task name that describes the action, not just the topic. Specific task names make it easier for everyone to understand what is expected at a glance. Finally, click the Start and Due Date field and set your deadline. Adding dates early helps you prioritize work and prevents tasks from sitting without a time frame. That covers everything you need to know.